Namaste and welcome to All About Lifestyle. This is Shraddha. Hope everyone is doing good. First of all, let me thank you all for showing so much love to the previous video. It is just because of you all that the channel is growing so fast. Now, moving on to the content, one of my friend Diksha asked me for a balcony makeover. As she is living in a rental space with a cute puppy with her, she wanted it to be very minimal with simple things and less decor. So whatever we have done, let's see together. But before moving on, let me share that I have started my Hindi channel also. Make sure you subscribe it because it is going to have a different kind of content eventually. Hope you all will like it. And the link for that is in the description box. Please subscribe the channel. So let's see the makeover now.
There's no better place than a balcony to enjoy your lazy Sunday mornings or have morning breakfast and evening tea with your friends and family. Choosing a suitable design and material for your property can completely change the look of your place. As spring is in the air and it is the ideal time to renew many things, so I have come with a balcony makeover. There is no doubt at all that in our busy lives, time becomes more precious as we seek to juggle all our responsibilities, so it is very difficult to maintain a real grass garden or balcony. An artificial carpet of grass for the balcony and terrace is very versatile and offers many design options. So this carpet we bought from a nearby market for just Rs 1300. Now the two most important advantages of having a green carpet is it is easy to maintain and it is time saving and water saving also. A beanbag for a small balcony is the best option for a comfortable and cozy seating. So this leatherette beanbag got his perfect corner with a cushion. Now on the opposite corner, she wanted to place two planters. So we bought this cute bicycle planter and then added two plants in it. As she doesn't want to spend so much on furniture, so I gave her the idea of using fruit crate as a table, and this is so much in trend these days, so she liked the idea. Now a balcony without a Buddha statue is just incomplete, and added two small planters with plants in it. Now all we need to jazz up this space with some warmth is by placing a floor lamp. This is a handmade jute lamp bought again from a local market. Now on this empty wall we decided to paste some of our pictures. So by using the duct tape, we have pasted all her favorite pictures. At this small corner, we have placed a guitar, and they bring this guitar only in the balcony when they have get together with friends and family. Otherwise, it has its own space in their beautiful home. Now everything is done. You can see how beautiful the balcony is looking. She liked this simple and minimal decor very much. I wanted to show her reaction, but she didn't get the time. Sorry for that. So hope you all have liked the ideas. So please subscribe the channel and hit the like button also. I'm going to leave you all with a night view. Hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. We'll see you in my next video.